Meron po akong natanggap. This is validated and very credible information that former Representative Zaldico nag-a-apply ng accountability clearance sa House of Representatives.
Ano po yun?
'Di ba kasi kapag pag House member ka, pag mag-exit ka na, kailangan mo ng clearance para matiyak na okay, wala ka ng accountability dito. Kung pwedeng magamit to anytime soon, nasasabihin niya, ako, cleaner nga ako ng House. Paano niyo sasabihin na may kinalaman ako diyan? Ngayon, ang alam namin, meron na lang isang department. I'm not sure if this is the Finance Department, Accounting Department ng House, to the maybe the Accounting Department. Na hindi na lang pumipirma doon. We will file the necessary resolution regarding this, na bakit nga naman natin i-clear si former Representative Zaldico kung hindi niya sinasagot yung mga aligasyon na ibinabato sa kanya. Take note, pinauuwi siya ni Speaker Pogi D. And I support the Speaker dito sa move na ginawa niya. Pinauuwi siya pero may clear defiance. Dinefy ni former Representative Zaldico yung order from the Speaker. Bumalik ka, umuwi ka, sagutin mo yung mga aligasyon laban sa'yo. So ngayon nag-a-apply siya for accountability clearance. And second question na i-raise dito, who is applying for the clearance of former Representative Zaldico? Kasi when you do your clearance, you have to be present, di ba? Pwede ka bang mag-apply ng clearance in absentia? That's a question. Kasi when you apply for clearance, you should be present. This is a question and we are raising this concern to everyone, to the public, para malaman po natin, malaman nyo po na may ganitong mga move na ginagawa.